Okay, so, good afternoon po. Okay, so, throughout my college years, I have experienced hardships, I have learned so many things, I went through ups and downs, there were misunderstandings, small wins, untold struggles. It really was an emotional roller coaster. As I reach the end of my educational journey, I am so glad that regardless of everything I went through, I'm still here, standing tall and proud. I am not a perfect student. I also had those scores. I didn't have a perfect attendance. But I am glad that all of the efforts I gave towards my studies have finally come into fruition. I am now a graduate at last, and my efforts have been recognized. I couldn't be any more happier. To my mother, thank you for everything you have sacrificed for me. I will always be thankful for everything you have done for me. I have not been a good son. I have made mistakes so many times and I still feel bad for it. Still, thank you for always giving me a chance and choosing to understand me, even when it is hard. I hope you are proud of me. You may not want to admit it, but I still think you are the best mother I could ever have. Thank you for everything. To my Lola, thank you so much too. You were there when I needed someone to talk to. You always care for me when you need. You always do your best to reach out to me even when I am busy with my schoolworks. You remind me to always look out for my health, and I will always be thankful for that. I will always be thankful for that. Thank you always for love and care for me. To Mom, thank you so much for always looking out for me and my family. I would have never made this far without her help. I will always be thankful for everything you did for us. Words will never be enough to express my gratitude towards you. Thank you po, Ma'am. To my research members, thank you for your help. You know what you all did to help attain the best in this award, and you should be proud of it. It is a team effort after all. We will not get this award without any coordination or help from each other. To my classmates, thank you. You were the best matchmates I could ask for. We may not talk much, but I am glad that I could fit well and be friends with all of you. Thank you for the 4 years of friendship. As my journey begins anew, I am ready to face the new challenges that will arrive. I am ready to show all the new skills, experiences, and knowledge that I have attained throughout my journey. I am ready to be fully dedicated on my chosen professional career. I will always consider myself as a student because after all, learning never stops throughout in life. Thank you all so much for giving me a chance to stand all before you and be proud of who I really am. I hope that I will be successful someday. I hope we will all be successful someday. Let's do our best as our current chapter ends today and as we move on to the next. Thank you, and congratulations to all of us.